Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to show date on status bar on any Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's go. For this, you have to open your Play Store. Now in the search bar, you have to search for date bar. Date in status bar. Here it is. You have to install this. Now open this. Press on allow. Now here you can see start date bar. Press on this. Now if you want to stop your date bar, then press on this stop date bar. That's it. So this is how to show date on status bar on any Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.